The womb is more than a physical space. It is an energetic temple or center. Welcome, family, and today's message of healing is very important and helpful to many women who go through painful menses, love and financial blockages and stagnation. It holds not only our own stories, but also the unspoken memories of our mothers, grandmothers, and generations before us, which is the seat of creativity, intuition, sensuality, and life force. When unhealed pain rests in the womb, it can show up as blocked emotions, difficulty with abundance, struggles in relationships, or physical discomfort. Womb healing is about energy, emotions, ancestral ties, creativity, and life force. And that's why it's important so as to trauma readings, restore balance, reconnect with feminine power, ancestral healing, and breaking generational pain. Anyone carrying emotional pain, ancestral wounds, blockages in love and finances, or creativity can benefit by performing this ritual and prayer. The effects of womb healing may include a deep emotional release, sometimes through tears, laughter, or silence. Physical sensations like warmth, tingling, or even gentle cramps. Spiritual shifts such as clearer dreams, stronger intuition, or feeling lighter in your energy. Long-term blessings, and that is confidence, healthy boundaries, restored cycles, creativity, and inner peace. But remember, every individual journey is unique. The items you need for the ritual or prayer include candles, water, cloth, white or red, crystals or stones like moonstone is available. These are the ritual or prayer steps. Prepare your sacred space. That is, light a candle, place a glass of clean water nearby. Your crystals or stones, the ones that you have is okay, and a piece of cloth that is white or red that feels sacred to you. Bring it close. Sit comfortably. Take a few deep breaths, imagining roots growing from your body into the earth. Whisper a short prayer like, "Ancestors and Divine Mother, walk with me as I return to my womb in love." Close your eyes and place both hands gently over your womb space. Speak aloud or write down the pain, fear, or burdens you are ready to let go of. Allow emotions to flow freely. Breathe deeply into your womb. With every inhale, imagine a golden or pink light entering your womb space. With every exhale, imagine heaviness dissolving. Repeat a mantra such as, "I honor my womb, I release all that is not mine, I welcome healing and life." Now say the womb healing prayer slowly. Hand over your womb. Sacred womb, seat of my life force, I return to you with love. I release all pain, shame, and grief carried through my bloodline. I return all that does not belong to me, back to the earth, back to the source. I reclaim my power, my voice, my creativity, and my joy. May the tears I shed cleanse me. May the light I breathe into you heal me. May the love I give myself restore me. From this day forward, I honor you as my sacred temple. So it is, and so shall it be. Your womb, your ancestors, and yourself. Drink water. Journal what you feel or happened during the ritual. Rest and honor your body. Affirm often, "I honor my womb, I honor my life source." By doing that, you heal your ancestors' burdens and the generations to come after you. Here are some do's and don'ts. What to do? Listen to your body and allow feelings to flow. Drink water and rest after the ritual. Repeat this practice especially during the new moon, full moon, or when you feel heavy. What not to do? Don't rush the process. Don't suppress emotions that rise. And finally, don't compare your feeling to others. Finally, this is very important to note. This ritual is spiritual guidance. It is not a replacement for medical care. If you have ongoing health conditions, honor your body and seek professional support alongside this practice. Do not perform this ritual if you are pregnant. Instead, choose gentle blessings and protective prayers for yourself and your baby. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Kindly share this video to reach many women. Like and leave a comment on your thoughts with this topic. Until next time, stay blessed, safe and prayed up. You are highly favored.